Watch till the very end for a surprise. What is up, guys?
Welcome
to my channel. I see 88% of you that are watching aren't subscribed. And that's alright. So if you like what you see and you want to support the channel, please subscribe.
You win!
I started out by heading out to the depot to grab some wood.
He said wood. That was cool.
Wood! Wood!
I grabbed the noisiest cart I could find, and then I headed out to the lumber section.
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
After having my pieces cut, I said what's up to Ray before heading home. Once home, I cut the wood pieces I needed for the panel bracing. I add wood glue and I clamp the pieces down for the bracing.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Now I use a router and sander to even out the sides. On the first piece, I paint on a black base before I put on the mica resin pigment.
I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Now I size up my carbon before bonding it to the wood panel. Once it was dry, I did some more sanding and I rounded out the corners. Over the next week, I painted, resined, and gold leafed until I was done with the first piece. Back to the other piece, I mix up some pink mica pigments to find the right Mr. Beast pink. I also resin some carbon fiber so I can make the Centurion, the Mr. Beast logo, and the credit card chip. Just some finishing touches and some cleanup before I glue these pieces down and add the resin. More sanding before I add the credit card numbers and the final resin seal.
"24 hours later."
This is how it looks after the final resin, but if you think this is the end, guess what?
But I'm not done yet!
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.